Let's do this problem. A merchant has 120 liters of oil of one kind, 180 liters of another kind, and 240 liters of a third kind. He wants to sell the oil by filling the three kinds of oil in tins of equal capacity. What should be the greatest capacity of such a tin? Pause the video, give it a try, and then let's solve it together. Alright, so over here I have 120 liters of one type of oil, 180 liters of the other type, right? And 240 liters of the third kind. Now, I need to fill this into tins, right? So this 120 liters has to be filled into tins. Say I need A tins for that. Similarly, 180 liters has to be filled into B tins, and 240 liters has to be filled into C tins. All right. Now, given that all of these tins are of equal capacity, let's assume that the capacity of one tin is X liters. Alright, now what does that mean? If I'm using A tins and each tin is of capacity X liter and it adds up to 120 liters, I can say 120 is equal to A into X, right? In a similar manner, I can say 180 is equal to B into X and 240 is equal to C into X. Alright, now you can see that in the case of 120, 180 and 240, X is occurring when you write it as a product of two numbers. So you can say that X is a common factor of both 120, 180 and 240. So we have established that X, that is the capacity of the tin, is a common factor among 120, 180 and 240. Alright. Now, it's also mentioned that the capacity of the tin should be the greatest possible capacity. Therefore, the question deals with the highest common factor, which is HCF, right? We have seen that it deals with the common factor, and because the question says greatest capacity, it deals with the highest common factor or the greatest common divisor. Alright, now let's find the HCF of 120, 180 and 240. So we write the numbers like this and take out common factors. I have a 0, 0 over here, 0 over here. So I take out 10. So I'm left with 12, 18 and 24. I take out 6. 12 by 6 is 2. 18 by 6 is 3. And 24 by 6 is 4. And there's nothing more. There's no common factor among 2, 3 and 4 except 1 which I can take out. Therefore, I stop at this point. And the HCF is 10 into 6. That is 60, and that's the answer. 60 liters is the capacity of the tin.